Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to switch character in State of Survival game. To switch character in State of Survival, open up the State of Survival game on your device and log into your account first. After you are in the main screen, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now click on the settings button from the menu and click on character management. If you have multiple characters added to your account, you can then simply go ahead and switch between them from this page. Simply go ahead and select your character you want to switch to and then click on confirm, and there you will be able to switch your character on State of Survival. You can always repeat this step for the character change, and that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.